Hi, this is Guy Hayes here at Hurricane Express. This afternoon we're going to teach you how to jump your truck off of your Thermo King or jump your Thermo King off of your truck. Either way, it will work. Now, what the first thing you want to do is have a decent long set of jumper cables that you can rely on. The second thing is you want to go to your access panel right here by where the controls are at. And just simply open it up, and your battery will be right here in location. The positive terminal is always closest to the door. Now, you get a good light that you can rely on so you can see what you're doing. Take your negative battery cable in and just squeeze this bolt front to back. And then your positive post is right there. You can feel it and hook it up. Now, you can go to the other end, access the panel to your batteries on your truck. Your positive post will be in the very far rear of the cabinet. Making sure you keep your correct ends. You can hook it up to the two clearest ones and you should be good to go with that right there. That will jump either direction with that set of cables on that setup. Thank you very much.